In this video, you will learn how to use groupings in ADOIT. Groupings help you organize your assets by putting them into categories. You can assign a grouping to any repository object. Simply drag it to the desired object and choose the aggregation, incoming, relation. Give your grouping a name. You can scale it to your liking and change its properties in the notebook. All assets where a grouping has been attached will appear in that groupings notebook. You can add more objects in the notebook of the grouping as well. Through the tag color attribute, you can specify the color of the tag that is displayed for aggregated objects. These tags appear in the header of Insights dashboards, as well as other ADOIT dashboards. Have a look at the ADOIT online help for more information.